Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can scrap the audience from a particular hashtag on Instagram. So let's go back to Instagram and find a hashtag for us to work with. So straight away I can see one hashtag, but let's find a different one like digital marketing. So digital nomad, let's say, or digital nomad is fine. So let's take this hashtag URL and then go and create a campaign. So in this time I will scroll down and find this Instagram audience based on hashtag, and then paste my hashtag link, and then also I will scrap the audience from and then I will send them the message sequence this time. I'll choose my Instagram account and I'll not set the criteria for now, and then run this campaign. So as I start my campaign, the tool will start scraping the audience from the Instagram hashtag. It will take about 10 minutes to start scanning and sending the messages. So I will be right back when I start sending out. Hello, welcome back. So you can see that my campaign is now running. 23 profiles found, 1 message have been sent. So this is how you scan the audience from a relevant hashtag on Instagram and send out them the DM campaign or follow campaign. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.